little learners. Let's make a craft together. These are the things you'll need. The first job is cutting. If you're doing this at home, you should ask your grown-up to help you cut. The next job is gluing. We have a glue stick. When you're done with the glue stick, put the cap on. Glue your paper to a piece of cardboard. Then it's time to make holes. You can use a stick. Or a grown-up can use a screwdriver. Once you've got your holes, you're all done, and it's time to go outside. Look for some flowers like these. They're called dandelions. Ask a grown-up before you pick any flowers. And if they say yes, pick them. Now comes the fun part. Stick your flowers into the holes of your craft. Soon you'll have a beautiful bouquet. You can decorate your craft any way you want. We used paint, but you could use markers or crayons or anything else you have. Now all that's left is to show it off. Thanks for making a craft with us, little learners. Please subscribe so May can see you again soon.